Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram or TikTok at Bailey.s. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is another BO+TEE try-on haul. This time we are reviewing the Overhead collection. I got 2 of the sets. There are 4 color options coming out. It is a purple, blue, green, and a pinkish red. I thought it would be red, and then I got it, and it's definitely like a pink, but it looks almost red. Yeah, so I'll just be telling you all the items releasing, the colors. I'm not sure when it is releasing. I don't have any of the dates yet, so I will be posting on my Instagram story when it has launched, so definitely follow me there for more up-to-date details. Okay, so there are going to be mini shorts releasing, biker shorts, my fave, and then leggings. And as for tops, there are going to be long sleeve inverse zip, so like the long sleeve zip tops, and the v-neck sports bra, which I am wearing, and then the short sleeve tops, which are my favorite. I think they're so cute. But first we will start, I guess, with what I'm wearing. So like I said, this is the v-neck top. I got it in an extra small. This is a ribbed material. It is very stretchy, so you can definitely size down. I have to size down to an extra small in their top, like their sports bras, just because it usually is so stretchy, and this right here is pretty long. So in order for it to fit right here, I like a tighter fit, so I size down. But like I said, it's a nice ribbed material. I love the v-neck detail. It's got the logo right here. I love this green. It's gonna be coming in all 4 of the colors. It's a purple, or this color, and then a really pretty blue, and then this green. I thought this was a red. I still absolutely love this color, but I thought it was red, which is why I picked out this color, because I don't have many red sets. But I do like it. I just was trying to like pick colors that I don't really have much of. I don't have much green, so I definitely had to snag the green set. And then the leggings. So these leggings are a very stretchy ribbed material. It is thicker, but it's so stretchy. I feel like it's not too compressioned. The waistband has nice tummy control though. Sadly, there is no glute accentuating anything. So if you are someone who maybe you don't like that, you just like a basic simple pair of leggings, these are a really good option because they don't have that, like, they don't have scrunch, and they don't even have like the outline of the cheeks detail, which I like. But I still really like them just because I don't know, I feel like the waistband just kind of like sucks you in and gives like the illusion of a really small waist. I like how stretchy the material is. I'm wearing an extra small in the leggings, and yeah, they're pretty stretchy. I am 5'4", and they come like to my ankle just for size reference or length reference. I think my sock's on inside out. There is a gusset, no front seam, so I'm having no camel issues. Yeah, it's again a ribbed material. I love this green. The waistband is a thicker material just to add more compression. Again, super stretchy. The back side looks like this. Not much going on, so it's not the most flattering. Definitely have more flattering options, but I know not everyone likes scrunch or like the super in your face booty designs. So if you like a more simple legging, definitely try these out. Squat proof, you're good. Like, they're so thick that you're gonna have no issue even with like the lighter blue, so I wouldn't worry about that. Right, and then I will try on the next set and show you guys that. All right, here is the pink color. If you're gonna get anything from this collection, let it be this top. I think it is so cute. I got this in an extra small. I have to look at the tag. I believe it's an extra small. If I'm wrong, I'll put the size right here. I love this detail. I think it's so cute. I love a square neck type stuff. I just think it's very flattering. And you can get it in literally all the colors and then mix and match your outfits, which I love doing. I'm just, oh, this is so cute. It's just a normal back like this. It is pretty cropped, like it's literally sports bra length, but it's got no removable cups. So you do have to wear a, I mean, I guess you don't, but I would not like just wear this to the gym. I don't even know what kind of sports bra you'd wear with this, like a bandeau. I don't even know. I guess if you don't need it, but like if you just wear this, you're not gonna have any support. So just keep that in mind because there are no removable cups. It's just like top material. Like there's nothing happening. So just keep that in mind. I still think it is super cute. Oh, adorbs. And then here are the biker length. So I feel like you could definitely size down in this collection just because I'm wearing an extra small in biker length. I normally wear a small or even like a medium in like shorts just because I like them to be longer. But these are extra small and they're like very stretchy. So yeah, I would size down in this collection. Again, not much happening on the back side. It's a nice rib stretchy material. There is no seam, no scrunch, no glute enhancing details. I do like the length, however, I feel like it could be a little bit longer for being biker length, like maybe to right here. I can't, like this is pretty short still for biker length, so I can't imagine the short shorts, just being completely honest. Squat proof. Yeah. Again, really like the waistband detail. I think it sucks you in nice. I'm not having to constantly pull it up, like it stays put. Again, it's super stretchy, so I do think you can get away with sizing down, or at least not having to size up. Yeah, I love this top. Like this is what I would snag in every color. I just think it's so cute and you can mix and match with different leggings. I think it's super cute. Alright guys, so that is everything I have for this try on haul. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you BO+TEE for sponsoring this video and sending me these super cute items that I can now wear to the gym. I love new gym fits, who doesn't? But yeah, I love this top. I just think it's so cute. I haven't seen many tops like this. Love me some biker shorts. The only thing is I just wish that it had some type of glute accentuating detail on the backside, but I know that not everyone likes that, so it is good that they did a collection that is more basic, more simple for people who, again, don't need a scrunch detail. So that is all for this try on haul and review. If you want some super bright, fun spring colors, definitely check out the Overhead collection. Follow me on Instagram to have a more updated detail of when it is launching. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.